Welcome, guys. Yeah, so let's solving this Leetcode easy question called the sum of digital string after converts. So you're given string s consisting of lower English letters and integer k, and convert s into integer by replacing each letter with its position in the alphabet. So A is 1, B is 2, Z is 26. Okay, I mean, there's a key that you can easily do this by using the ORDI minus 96. So if you use ORDA, you will get 97 minus 96 will be 1. Okay, so this is a shortcut. I just say that if you don't know about this. And then you transform an integer by replacing some digits, replace the transform operation k times. So this is stupid. You first get your original list. And if k is 2, you transform 2 times, right? The first time that you add it becomes 17, and then you separate it into 8. So basically, you convert each element, each digit into a string, and the sum over length, and then you find, and then you do it again. Okay. So for this one, you get 999, 36, yeah. And then you need to transform for this. Okay, so I think first step, people, what you know the answer, right? Because you just convert it into answer. So in this case, in the first case, your answer will be 9999, which is a string. Then you go through the k times, and then you define your result to be 0. And then for j in answer, now you need to add these results, right? So you need to change it into integer, and then finally change the answer to the string, right? And then finally you need to return a number, so you return the integer of answer. Yeah, that's it. That should be very simple. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so see you guys next videos. Hope you guys subscribe to my channel.